To determine if you have a P and H or narrow P and H arm, insert a penny into the hook part of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a P and H arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow P and H arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X WeatherClear wiper blade on a narrow P&H arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Find the release button on the side of the adapter, lift the button, and slide forward. Remove and discard the adapter. Locate the packaged adapter labeled PH. To install, align the PH adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointed in the same direction as the arrow on the wiper blade base. Press the adapter onto the wiper blade and slide back in the direction of the arrow on the adapter base until it clicks into place. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. You may need to consult the owner's manual for your vehicle for instructions. Next, turn the blade perpendicular to the wiper arm. Locate the hole on the side of the adapter. Insert the pin into the hole, pushing all the way through. Rotate the blade down until it mates into place. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now, activate the blade change indicator by removing the sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it is time to change your wiper blade. Installation is complete. You're now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X WeatherClear wiper blades